In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture on Patreon. If you want to personalize your Patreon account and make your profile look more complete, adding a profile picture is a great place to start. It helps your page feel more recognizable and professional, whether you're a creator or simply updating your account details. The good news is that the process is very quick and straightforward. To begin, go to Patreon and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the Patreon homepage or inside your account dashboard, take a moment to look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation area for your account. Next, click the three dots located in the bottom left corner of the page. This opens an additional menu with more account options that may not be visible in the main sidebar. If you're not seeing it right away, just look toward the lower left edge of the screen and you should find it there. After that, click on Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your account details and make changes to your profile. Settings is where Patreon keeps important personalization options, including your profile image. Once you're in the settings area, look for the camera icon on your current profile image area. Click that camera icon to begin updating your picture. Patreon will then let you choose an image file from your computer. Select the photo you want to use and make sure it's one that represents you or your brand clearly. A square image usually works best for profile pictures, and it's a good idea to choose a photo that is clear, well lit, and easy to recognize even at a smaller size. After selecting the file from your computer, Patreon will upload it and apply it to your profile. Depending on the image, you may also want to check how it looks once it's displayed, just to make sure it appears centered and clean. And that's all it takes to add a profile picture on Patreon. It's a small update, but it can make a big difference in how your profile appears to visitors and supporters. If you're continuing to set up your account, this is one of those simple touches that helps your page feel more polished and complete. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.